Welcome to day 34 of 50 days NEET challenge. In today's video, we are going to look at another diagram from reproductive system which is very important. It's female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, you will see this inverted pear-shaped structure which is called as uterus, also called as womb. And this uterus or womb is connected to the primary sex organ of female, which is ovary, and they also occur in pair, and it is kind of connected with these ovaries with the help of these tube-like structures called as fallopian tube or oviduct. Now see here, when the ovary releases the ovum during the menstrual cycle, the ovum is taken up by these finger-like projections present in this part of the fallopian tube, which is called as infundibulum, and then ovum travels and rests here in the ampullary isthmic junction or ampulla region, and it waits for the sperm to arrive. Now, looking at the different structures of fallopian tube, this structure is called as infundibulum, this structure is called as ampulla, and this tube-like structure is called as isthmus. These three together form fallopian tube. Now, if you look at the structure of uterus, uterus has been divided into outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. The outer layer is called as perimetrium, it is thin and membranous, whereas middle layer is called as myometrium, it is consisting of smooth muscles, which is a thick layer. It helps in childbirth, it contracts during childbirth. And the innermost layer is called as endometrium, it is a glandular layer, and it undergoes cyclical changes during menstrual cycle. This part of the uterus is called as uterine cavity. This is that cavity where the growth of the child or development of the child will take place after the pregnancy. This neck of the uterus is called as cervix, and this canal-like structure which opens into the vagina is called as cervical canal. Cervical canal along with vagina forms birth canal because these two canals, they have to open up during childbirth. So this was the structure of uterus and female reproductive system.